Yeah, but guess what else?
Thank you.
You are my husband.
Thank you so much.
And guess what I am?
You're my wife. You mean my whole day.
To let you know, I am super excited to become your wife. Nothing makes me more happy than knowing that I'm marrying a man who is completely selfless and always puts me first. Thank you for changing the way that I live my entire life, for making me more patient, for making me selfless, for making me complain less and have more gratitude. I love you with all my heart, and I can't wait to start our lives together.
Good morning, Amanda. Today is the day that we get married. It's been a crazy couple weeks leading up to today. I cannot wait to see you walk down the aisle today. I know you're going to be beautiful as always. I cannot wait for our first dance together. I cannot wait for us to spend the rest of our lives together after this. It's about 8 hours from now. We will be married. I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I knew from the first date that we had that you were going to be the one for me. I love you, and I will see you soon.
Advice is have a date night every single week, regardless of what's going on. Even if it's Tuesday night and you're just going to Taco Bell, it's date night.
All right, thank you.
Don't take each other too seriously.
Okay.
Laugh and have fun together.
Laugh and have fun.
Choose each other. I mean, really choose each other.
Every day, choose each other. Good sex.
Good sex.